first time for me to be here and for everyone in our group to be here. I think we're amazed at the legacy of the pottery village, all the old shards up on the hill, that it's a paper making area as well. So it's really exciting for us.
Yeah, it's fascinating to see the differences between the U.S. Ceramic world and the Chinese ceramic world, and the Chinese ceramic world blows away. It's unbelievable to see the history here and it from the handcraft to the industrial pottery that's here.
As long as I am able, I will continue to promote Chinese arts, ceramics especially. So long as there is interest, I would like to continue bringing people together to see all that China has to offer. China has so much culture to offer. It's every moment has been filled with just wonder and just incredible. It's something that only if you are here in China you can experience. And coming to this village and seeing so much potential, it's quite exciting.